smiles we shared in Poronin time will never be erased. Though the days have passed us by, the warmth is still so near. In every friend we made here, we'll keep this time sincere.